your debut on my videos. ఎట్లా వచ్చినవే? హాయ్ మోయా. హలో. Hi.
Suggest something for me.
No, what do you want? Chocolate or
Non-chocolate.
non-chocolate? If you want, you can go for.
Hey, mini or regular?
That's regular. Neede, will you want?
Chalky, crunchy chalky.
I'm younger. Prantika. First impression on Kala Jamun. Hello.
Ice cream generally I like.
Avuna. Good, good. ఎందుకు మా ఎలా పెడుతున్నావు? అదే ప్రణతిగా చెప్పేది మన ఐదుగురం ఉంటేనే మన సౌండ్ పక్కనోడు పట్టించుకోలేదు. రేపు గెట్ టుగెదర్ నార్మల్ హోటల్ అంటే ఎట్లా పడతారే? మన అరుపులకి ఎవ్వడు భరించలేడు. మన మాటలే గట్టిగా ఉంటాయి.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog from the car. Today we are on our way. I'm actually going to pick up Akshata and both of us are actually going to go to Begum Bazaar. So I have a family gathering on the 13th. I have a beautiful sari, everything is ready. I think the few things that I have to pick up are either like accessories or either hair accessories. So I'm somebody who does not kind of like do a lot of things to the hair, so I'm going to proactively think about it. And yeah, I literally have no makeup on. I just have the benefits I have the benefits platent with me, and I literally applied it on my cheeks and as an eyeshadow, and that's all. Just a little bit of brows and mascara. Anyways, yeah, I'm all ready. Let's go pick up Akshata and go to Begum Bazaar. That's my ideology, but let's see what happens. Hi Akshata. नहीं ऑरेंज का एक दे दो भैया जो आपके पास है इंके नाल నీకు నాకు మనం ఆకున్న వైట్ దానికి పింక్ బాగుంటదేమో పిట్ స్టాప్ నంబర్ 1 at Milan Juice Center. This place in Begum Bazaar sells the best imitation jewelry. It's literally everything is filled with jewelry.
Tomorrow.
Hello, hi guys, it's another day and we're back in the car. I have a parcel that I have to drop off for my brother, and as usual I'm waiting for Akshata. You know, I quickly wanted to do what I carry in a bag kind of a situation. I did the one when we were going to IKEA, so I want to do like it in a vlog. So this bag today I didn't wear my watch, so I feel a little adhura. This bag I got it from D-Mart, and I really like the finishing over it. It looks like a Chanel. It's not, but I really feel like it gives that rich feels. And the metal over it, like this one is very sturdy. So either you can wear it like this or like this. I personally like to wear it like this. So let's open and see what is there. I literally did not do anything. I did not remove anything. Okay. I have like 3 makeup things. Like this is like compact. This is the Nykars compact and a powder brush. I usually carry this just to like kind of set my face. And I have a lipstick. This is the Miss Claire's 06. I love this. This is like a nude that will go on anybody. So I like this. Then I have a bit of a cash. I think I have 1500. Yeah, 15, 60, 1700. I have 1700 rupees cash. Oh, then I have my cards. This is a Marc Jacobs wallet that I've been using a lot, and this is actually Lalit's card, so I have this also with me. So I literally have nothing. Oh, also I put my Gucci sunglasses over here. So You know, now that I'm doing this, why don't I show you guys what's in my car as well? One day I want to make like a video of what's in my car and how I like to decorate it and all of that. Like organize my car with me. So hopefully the next video or something I will be doing that. Anyways, yep. Oh yeah, she's here. Bye. This mirror makes me different. This is nice. Chalo, chidam. Okay, we're back from Decathlon and I want to do a quick car haul. I'll still start with the bag. Firstly, I got this bag because my college low people used to get this for exams. I got this bag from Decathlon firstly. A sports bra. Oh, I got a microfiber towel. I got socks. All pairs of colors of socks. I got a pink, I got a blue, I got a navy blue, I got a black. I love this color. This is so beautiful. Asala. Very pretty. Now, next, I got a swimsuit. Like I always wanted this skirt kind of a thing. It's very pretty. So I got this. And then we got shorts. These are like those booty shorts kind of things. These are very pretty. Ante. That's. Oh yeah, we have to show you all. Oh wait. We'll go back again. We'll do the jewelry also. Got this beautiful emerald set. Akshita got this one. Then we got another oxidized jewelry, another oxidized. We got a lot of matching stuff. Ooh, then we got this. This is like a gold one we got. Then she got like a baju bandi thing. I can't show you guys how it is. And another matching one we got. Let's go home.